Meaning of desert boot.
Desert boot.
Desert boot.
Desert boot.
Desert boot. A desert boot is a type of casual footwear that originated in World War II. It is typically made of suede or leather, with a crepe rubber sole. The design is simple, with 2 or 3 eyelets for lacing and a low-cut ankle. Desert boots are comfortable and versatile, suitable for a wide range of occasions and outfits. They are particularly popular in warm weather and can be worn with shorts, jeans, or chinos. Overall, desert boots are a practical and fashionable choice for anyone seeking a comfortable and stylish shoe.